Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fée de la Mer, and today I am presenting a soap that's new on my YouTube channel. It's called Honey and Cranberry, and I wanted to show you a quick overview of how we make it here. In the stock pot we have some coconut oil, some Baraka shea butter, and cocoa butter, as well as Now that all of the solid oils and butters are measured, we're gonna melt this down on low, and I'll be back to show you the rest. When my oils and butters are melting, I take this time to line my molds and get them ready to receive soap. This is how the molds are lined. This soap has its name because it is made with local hand-picked cranberry puree, as well as golden honey from our local beekeeper. Our soap is made with phthalate-free and paraben-free fragrances that smell just like bittersweet cranberries. All our micas and powders are skin safe, they are vegan and cruelty-free, and these are from Nurture Soap Supplies. You can get a link to purchase these in the description box below my video, and they are affiliated links. Once the solid oils and butters have melted, it is time to add the soft oils. In this formula, I have olive oil, rice bran oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. It is now time to include our fragrance oil. The most fascinating part of the soap making process is about to happen. It is when the oils and butters meet the live water solution. I have split my soap batter in 4 parts, and I will now add my colors and my local additives, which are the local honey and the cranberry puree. Using my swirling tools, I will create a peacock swirl top on the soap just because it's such a beautiful design. And these are Brambleberry's swirling tools. That's it for today. The soap will need to insulate and cure for the next 24 hours, and we will be back tomorrow to cut it. Time to cut. Wow, the sun is so bright. Beautiful day today. I hope you've enjoyed watching the making of our Honey and Cranberry soap. This soap is so much fun to make. I love the design of the faux funnel pour, and this soap smells just amazing. It's just like the perfect bittersweet, fruity cranberry smell. So make sure to check our online store as it will be available online shortly. This soap is actually already available in some of our boutiques that carry our soaps in Quebec. You can find our point of sales via our online store, so I will leave the link in the description box. Make sure to check that out. Also, give us a thumbs up if you really enjoyed watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to always know when we upload a new video. Take care.